The F6E4 error code in a Whirlpool oven indicates a problem with the circuit board. This issue is often caused by a faulty control board. To resolve this error, the best solution is to replace the control board. Start by pulling out and unplugging the oven. Then unthread the screws securing the control panel's back shield. Remove the shield and take a picture of the wires attached to the control board using your phone, as this will help you reconnect them to the new board. Next, disconnect the wires from the old control board. Unthread the mounting screws and remove the control board from its housing. Use a putty knife to pry off the overlay and stick it to the new control board. Align the new control board to the housing. Thread in the mounting screws and connect the wires to the new board. Finally, screw in the control panel's shield. Plug in the oven and push it back into place. Switch it on and check if the error has been resolved.